Hey everybody, Godric here, and today I'm going to show you how you can order a belt through me over at Dragon Masters. All right, everybody. So if you are watching this video, it is most likely because I have messaged you at some point, or you have messaged me and you have shown interest in ordering a belt, and I've sent you to this video. And for me to get all the information that I need to make you a belt, it's kind of a long process. So I wanted to make a video kind of detailing what all the information that you need and everything you should be looking for to maybe speed this process up and give you a little bit more insight into what you'll need. So first thing that we're going to do is go to Dragon Masters on Facebook, and it is Dragon Masters RW. And once you are there, this will be kind of the homepage that you're looking at. You're going to go to the photos. Now, there are a few things that you will need to know going into this. The first thing you need is what color or colors do you want your belt to be? Because if you want it to be a single color, you're going to be looking for belts that are single color in these photos. If it's 2 colors or 3 colors, likewise. You'll be going around and looking for belts that match the color combinations that you want. The next thing that you need to know is macrame or paracord. Now, this is the material that your belt is going to be made out of. Now, macrame is cheaper, starting at $60. Paracord's a little bit more expensive, starting at $70. And really, the option, it's up to you on which you would prefer. This is macrame. Macrame tend to be wider belts. The material is more like a yarn type of fabric. The colors are a little bit more limited than what the paracord options are. But a lot of people swear by the macrame. They love it because of the feel. It is going to definitely be softer than what you can get in paracord. Now, the other option is what you can see. This is paracord. Paracord can come in pretty much any color that you can think of. It is going to be a sturdier material. I've had customers tell me that they've pulled their cars out of ditches with these belts. So the paracord is the sturdier option. I wear paracord. I prefer the feel of it. I think the colors are more vibrant. So the first thing that I'll need from you is if you want it to be a paracord belt or a macrame belt. From there, what you'll need to do is find out what weave that you want. Now, up here in the albums, we'll go to see all albums, have a couple of different things that you should look at. So you're going to want to go in here to this company belt album and just kind of look around. See if there's anything that jumps out at you, if there are any weaves in here that you like, that you would like to emulate. Remember that we can do them in any color combination. So say you really like this one, but you want it in 3 other colors, that's okay. We're just looking for the pattern of the belt and see which one that you like the most. Now, once you get done scrolling through here, these are the ones that I call company belts. These are generally just the color combinations for the different fighting companies or fighting units in the games that I play. The other thing that you can look at is if you come in here to our Knights and Squires belts. A lot of the belts that I make are going to be Knights or Squires belts, and you can get some of the ideas here as well. Again, you can scroll through, see if there's anything that catches your eye. And then the last one that you can kind of look at is right down here called Other Belts. These are going to be my Man-at-Arms belts, my Page belts, other belts that just kind of don't fit into any of the other 2 options there. So once you go through that, take a look at figure out which pattern you would like. And then the next thing that you want to go and look for are the end knots. Now, every one of my belts is going to be ended in some way with an end knot. And I have quite a few different patterns that you can use to end your belt on. This is one of them. You can see another one right here as well. So what you're going to want to do is scroll through these pictures and find which end knot that you want. And then let me know that also. And then the final, or I guess we have 2 more steps. The second to last step is to figure out how long you want your belt to be. Now, the easiest way to do this is if you currently have a belt, take it off, measure it, see how long it is, and let me know where you want that. All of my belts generally come in at 6 feet. Anything between 5 foot and 6.5 feet are all going to be roughly the same price. I won't charge you anything more for that. But if you want a 7 foot or an 8 foot long belt, there will be an upcharge of $10 per additional foot that you would like. Then the last thing that you'll need is to decide what ring that you want. Now, all of my belts come standard with a 2.5-inch nickel-plated seal ring that makes it so it won't rust. These come on the majority of my belts. You can see all of these have that same ring. Now, if you want something a little fancier, you can go and take a look at some of the Knight's belts here. Let's see if we can find one. I have a bunch of different options that we can get for some non-standard rings, but these will all vary in cost based on what you want. Some of them are just a couple of dollars more. Some of them are $15 or $20 more. It just kind of depends. Like this is a horse bridle ring. This is a 3-inch ring. This is a $15 ring. So if you want a fancier ring, just let me know and we can then chat a little bit more, go through the options for you, figure out what one you would like the most. So the things I need from you, if you're interested in getting a belt from me over at Dragon Masters, I need you to know if you want macrame or paracord. I need you to know what color combinations that you want. I need you to pick out a weave that you want. I need you to pick out an end knot that you want, and then figure out what ring that you want. And then after you kind of have all of that, or if you need some ideas and you don't really have a preference, sometimes customers will tell me, I don't have a preference on the end knot, pick what you want. That's okay too. Message me and we'll get all those details set up, and I look forward to making a belt for you. Thanks guys, see you next time.